Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I got 3 driveways I'm gonna kind of cram into one video. This right here is the first one. You know, one of my more recent driveway videos, I got some good advice: do less talking and more work. So I'm good with that. Let's go. So for some reason I lost my audio on my camera, but that's 4 driveways in one day. One of the neighbors to the first driveway had me do theirs while I was out there. I'm super excited because it's just about time to start making videos in my yard. I'll be reel mowing the turf at the shop with a very large reel mower. So be sure and subscribe so you don't miss that. So hey, thank you again for watching my video. I hope you have a great day today, and I'll check you later.